Hi viewers, you're welcome back. Now let's attend to question number 28. Factorize 3 minus 2x minus x squared. Now this is factorization. To factorize this, we need to recall some steps. One of it is that to factorize this, we compare with this expression ax squared plus bs plus c. So we compare these together. This is degree 2, this is degree 1, and this is a constant. So the coefficient of degree 2 here is a, and when we compare this together, we observe that our a here is this minus 1. So a is equals to minus 1, and b is equals to the coefficient of that of degree 2, of degree 1 rather. So that, which is b. Here, this x as our degree 1, and its coefficient is minus 2. So b equals minus 2, and c is a constant. Here it is 3. So the next step is we look for the product of a and c. So we look for a times c, and a times c here is minus 1 times 3, that's minus 3. So after getting this ac, then the next step is we look out for the factors of ac that add up to b. That is two numbers that you can multiply together that will give you minus 3, and when added you have minus 2. And without wasting our time, the factors are minus 3 times 1, because minus 3 times 1 will give us minus 3, and minus 3 plus 1 that gives us minus 2. So these are the two factors. Then we split these middle terms into these factors. Then we're going to have this returns to 3 minus, instead of writing this minus 2x, then we're going to write minus 3x plus 1x. Minus 3x plus 1x, that will give us minus 2x, then minus x squared. Then after this step, the next step is we group together the first two and the last two. So we have 3 minus 3x together plus 1x minus x squared together. Then the next step is we factorize each bracket. So this bracket, we look for what is common, and we look at this bracket. 3 is common. This is 3. This is 3s. So 3 is common. We can factorize 3 out of this bracket. Then we're going to have 3 into here. We'll be left with 1, because 3 divided by 3, that's 1, minus 3s divided by 3, that's x, plus, and we look at this bracket. S is common. This is 1x. This is x squared. So when we have x into 1x divided by x, that's 1, minus x squared divided by x, that's x. So you can see 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So we pick 1 from this bracket. This is 1 minus x into, then we write this, what we have here, which is 3. Then we write what we have here, which is plus x. So this is a factorized form of this expression. Now let's check from the option which of the option is actually correct. Okay, this is 1 minus x, 3 plus x. Okay. Yeah, this is option D, not option C. This is option D. Option D is actually correct, is the correct option. Now, when you look at our work is here, this is our solution here. This 3 plus x can also be written as x plus 3. So this is same as writing 1 minus x into x plus 3. X plus 3 and 3 plus x is the same thing. So, and we can also write this as x plus 3 into 1 minus x, just to fit in with this option here. The arrangement is actually the same thing. So the correct option here is option D. Thank you for watching. Bye.